Say thank you. Thank you. Thank you. He's so happy. He's the one who wants where to put it, ante. Oh, put na daw niya. Happy ang bata. Hoy. Next is Mr. Potato Head. Ay, Alien sa Alien. Alien. Where? Right over here sa Buzz? Okay. Buzz does Alien or Alien. It's okay. I got it.
I will help you.
It's okay. It's too high for you. You silly. You can't reach, huh?
Yeah. I will get down.
Okay.
Oh,
So where we put? What's next?
I'm thinking.
Slinky.
Mommy, you give up it.
Slinky.
Yes, Cindy.
Look, guys, so excited kasi siya. Si Slinky, we'll go over there. Yeah?
Yeah.
Excited kasi siya ni Slinky. Slinky.
I will play with you. You know what this I done? Oh,
Look at na now.
oh, pits.
Oh, auntie.
Oh,
You want octopus?
yeah.
Okay. Excited kasi siya. Ay, mag-okay.
Richie, yes.
You like where it put?
I want Richie, yes. Him down to be Richie, yes.
Okay. That's it na na. Diyan na, natapok. Kasi kaya, where we put octopus?
And really hot.
Hoy! That's gonna be silly.
And him will do.
Pero ka na siya ba? Woody's hot daw, oh. Nga na, si Woody, nanay octopus.
Him down to be out.
Next, Mr. Potato. Where we put Mr. Potato?
And with up here.
In the T-Rex?
Yeah.
Oh, look, T-Rex.
T-Rex
T-Rex is with the potato.
T-Rex.
Like that?
Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah.
Hello. Very good ka mag-style ba? Kaya po kayo mong style do.
Yeah.
Tawa? T-Rex, Mr. Potato. What you do? What you gonna put there? Where you gonna put the big bear?
And up here.
Up here, Matthias? Yeah? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's do it. He wants to put though near Matthias' wall. Where you wanna? Go try. Uh-oh. Next to Mr. Potato. Oh, be careful. Uh-oh. I'm a hugger. Ano, okay, yung orchestra ni Ezekiel ba? Oh?
Okay.
Well done. Good job. Did you do it very good?
Next guy.
You need to flatten it very good.
Next guy.
Next guy. What's in there? Right here. Where you want to put it?
Let's have it here.
Hoy. Uh-oh. You want to put in his head?
Yeah.
Hey, go put in his head.
Yeah.
Wala na si...
No, and then it's Daddy.
Where we put the slinky?
Daddy.
Daddy Slinky? Aww. Yeah, because there's tiny Slinky, guys. Oy, wala na si Slinky. Tiny Slinky daw is here. Kay baby daw na niya. Baby. Baby is Slinky. Yung daddy daw. Ezekiel, what you say, Auntie Jessica? Hey!
Thank you.
Thank you, Auntie Jessica. Look, oh, Auntie Jessica, he's the one, decided where to put. Oh. Napuno na nag-sticker. Sticker room. Sticker na. Oh, everywhere. Yeah, that's okay.
No, I don't like dinosaurs.
Hey, is this you and brother's room? Is this you and brother's room? Look at brother. Oh, Matthias, just put it here, not everywhere in the wall. Go put in your bed.
Get it out.
Hey, no. This is you and brother's room, okay? He's very mad. He don't want this wall be mixed with the dinosaur.
If up.
He's being a stink butt.
If down and you if up.
Yep. he could have dinosaurs down and all Ezekiel is up. That's what brother saying. Sinabaw ta today, oy. Wala pa yung nasa gulay. Luto na ang atong sinabaw, nga gamay lang og sabaw. Sinabaw. Tama lang para di kilata atong gulay. Na makulay. Sa sinabawang gulay. Grabe niya akong background permi ba? Permi kakusog kayo. Guys, nalantay carrots, kining sa ni napa leaves. Sa to apa ni butangan na nato repolyo, di mo kita diri repolyo napa leaves then tong karne. And then butangan na ko kuan. Kanang sa ni bouillon vegetable base. Tapos mauna siya. Luto na ang atong sudan. Manihapon. Tapos na upna na ito. Ano siya tanto? Ano itong karne? Manihapon na ta. Eating ha, watching. Eating while watching. Not focus on the show. Basta sinabaw, may anak sila. Bida. There's a bunny, guys. Oh,
There's 3.
they're in the yard. They're in our yard. It's nice to give a carrots. Look at,
There. There's one right here.
there's bunny,
There's one over
guys.
here. This bush.
Yep.
Hey there, buddy. You see it?
Bunny.
You wanna try to give
Hello,
it?
bunny.
Try to give it something to eat?
Yeah. Go give na, go give.
Me.
Hi, bunny. Oh, there's under the car too.
Under the car, and there's one over here.
Yep, in the bush.
No, in this other bush too. There's a third one.
Oh, right there too, huh?
Right close to us.
Yep, I know.
Phil.
Look, I see two in the truck, red car. Oh, they're going to the neighborhood. They're running.
You see the one over there?
Yep, there's one, two in the... That one, oh. Not man very good na itong kan.
Next to the red car?
Bunny, rabbit. Uy, among tulips. Nanguan na. Daddy just got home. He's the one saying that there's bunny. Look at our trees. Oh, naanay pink flower. Gamay na lang ang buwak. Kay sige magkaulanan. Nangahunhun. Pretty tulips. Who's for that? For the bunny? Oh! Thank you. Did you pick it for me? Thank you, my love. Oy! Thank you. Namuwak na ang among tulips. Tulips.
We're gonna have an early morning.
Sakit. Ready.
Thank you for watching. Gunta magkita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.